what better way to enjoy dinner than sitting before a beautiful kitchen tablescape? And if you're interested in what I've done, stay tuned. I absolutely love beautiful tablescapes, whether I do them or someone else does them. Hello, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, and today we are in the kitchen. Now, we are going to put together a beautiful tablescape, and it's one that I'm going to be able to use every day because it's just everyday dishes, everyday silverware, everyday plates, and so it's going to be just for hubby and family, and we're just going to have a good time. Now, about a week ago, we put together a lovely bird cage. Now, that bird cage is our centerpiece for this particular kitchen tablescape, and it's lovely. Now, so we're going to do everything that is not only going to enhance the table and the table setting, but it's going to bring out the beautiful, warm, spicy colors of our fall bird cage. So I hope you will stay and take a look to see what we've done. Now, also, while you're here, go right now, if you're not a part of our family, please go down and tap that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. And leave a comment, if you will, and let me know what you're doing for fall, or if you've even started decorating for fall, because it's still a little bit early, but you know, these colors are going to last, and once you get everything up, we have a couple of months to enjoy them, and we'll enjoy them until just before time to bring about Christmas and winter. So let's enjoy these spicy colors, and let's enjoy the cool weather of fall. So let's get started on the tablescape. Computer, papers, and junk on my kitchen table. Now, you know that's not going to make it. I have got to have a beautiful kitchen tablescape. So let's put together a lovely fall tablescape. All right, the table's clean. I've gotten just about everything out of the way. I have some leftover ribbon that I'm going to put away. And then we're going to start to set this table. All right, let's get started. First, I'm going to put down 4 chargers that I got from Dollar Tree. And they're kind of a muted gold that I thought would go great with our lantern. And it certainly leaves plenty of room to get everybody at the table and have plenty of room for our centerpiece. Also, in addition to that, I'm going to use some plates. I'm going to use some white plates. Or at least that's where I'm starting. I'm thinking I'm going to use my white plates, and the reason for that is because these are so easy to clean and put back, and I can change the napkins. Now, I also got napkins from Amazon. Beautiful fall leaves and acorns, and it says leaves and autumn and fall, nature, color, harvest, has all of the words that basically shout fall. And I'm going to use these right here because remember, this is my kitchen table. So we eat here all the time. We need to have napkins that are easy to pick up and change. So there we go. All right, we've got our napkins that we're going to be using, and they just pick up warm fall colors. Okay, now, in addition to that, let's add some more things. The placemat that you see here is one that stays regularly on the table, and it really blends with the covers on my chairs. And while I like those, then I came across these, and as you see, it picks up the green. I don't know if I can get it in. You see the green, the golds, and somewhat of a rusty burgundy somewhere in there. But those are the colors that it picks up. So I'm going to get you in close. And I thought, I think I like that. So I may go with that. I even decided to play with the plate and to see how that would look. I'm trying to make sure we don't have the glare. And with the napkins, and I think that's going to be the look that I go for, rather the teal, the reddish orange, and the napkins. The teal just isn't doing it for me. I don't know about you, but you tell me what you think. Planning, cooking, and decorating are the things that I do in my kitchen all the time. And if you like those types of things, I invite you to join the Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme family, because this is where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. So right now, go down to the subscribe button and click on it. Also, while you're there, tap that little bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you will know. Also, you may also go down into the description box and take a look at some of my favorite Amazon items. And I list those types of things all the time because as I use them, I invite you to use them also. So there's a nice running list of things there. I hope you have had a wonderful time in the kitchen, and I hope that you will continue to be a part of the Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme family. I have certainly enjoyed your presence.